Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is your mathematics teacher Mrs. Suhra Tabassum. As you all know that we are studying chapter number 3 variations of class 10th mathematics. Today we will learn the application of proportion theorems in exercise 3.4. So let's recap our previous knowledge on these theorems. So our first theorem is theorem of invert tendo. This theorem states that if A ratio B equal to C ratio D, then B ratio A equal to D ratio C. Or in fraction form, you can write the above as A over B equal to C over D implies B over A equal to D over C. Now second theorem, theorem of alternando. By this theorem, if we have A ratio B equal to C ratio D, then A ratio C equal to B ratio D. Or in fraction form, A over B equal to C over D implies A over C equal to B over D. First was A over B equal to C over D, and we can write this as A over C equal to B over D. Now third theorem is theorem of componendo. In this theorem, if we have A ratio B equal to C ratio D, then first A plus B ratio B equal to C plus D ratio D. And the second, we will write A ratio B equal to C ratio D as A ratio A plus B equal to C ratio C plus D. Now the fourth theorem, which is theorem of dividendo, and this theorem states that if A ratio B equal to C ratio D, then this equal to A minus B ratio B equal to C minus D ratio D. And the second form is if A ratio B equal to C ratio D, we can write this as A ratio A minus B equal to C ratio C minus D. Now the last theorem, which is theorem of componendo dividendo. This is a combination of third and fourth theorem, theorem of componendo, theorem of dividendo. Combined, we can write this as theorem of componendo dividendo, and this theorem states that if A ratio B equal to C ratio D, this implies A plus B ratio A minus B equal to C plus D ratio C minus D. Second case, that above ratio A ratio B equal to C ratio D implies A minus B ratio A plus B equal to C minus D ratio C plus D. You have to learn all these theorems so that you can easily solve exercise 3.4. Let's start our exercise 3.4. Now come to the first question of exercise 3.4. We have to prove here that A ratio B equal to C ratio D if 4A plus 5B over 4A minus 5B equal to 4C plus 5D divided by 4C minus 5D. This is given. This relation 4A plus 5B and so on is given, and we have to prove that A ratio B equal to C ratio D. So we will use here the theorem of componendo dividendo. So by using this theorem, or look at the statement of this question again, that if A over statement of this theorem is if A over B equal to C over D, then A plus B over A minus B equal to C plus D over C minus D. Now by this theorem, we can write the above fraction 4A plus 5B over 4A minus 5B as A plus B. A plus B is 4A plus 5B plus 4A minus 5B. Means numerator plus denominator, और denominator में हमने करना है numerator minus denominator. So in denominator we can subtract these two relations or these two expressions, that is 4A plus 5B minus 4A plus 5B equal to 4C plus 5D प्लस करते हैं इसमें डिनोमिनेटर 4c minus 5d divided by numerator is 4c plus 5d minus denominator which is minus 4c plus 5d. The sign of 5d is negative in denominator, and when we subtract this from numerator, the sign of 5d will be changed to plus. So look here that 4a plus 4a, the sign of these two terms is positive. We will get 4a plus 4a as 8a, and 5b plus 5b and minus 5b will be cancelled by each other. So only 8a will come in the numerator of the next fraction. Now come to the denominator, 4a plus 4a and minus 4a. Sign of these two expression is opposite. So we will cancel these two, 4a with minus 4a and plus 5b and plus 5b. The sign of these two term is same. So same sign will be added and we will get 10b. So the fraction on left side is 8a over 10b. Now come to the right side. Here we have 4c plus 4c. So 4c plus 4c gives us 8c, and plus 5d and minus 5d will be cancelled by each other. Now come to the denominator, 4c minus 4c. These two terms have opposite sign, so they will be cancelled by each other, and we have plus 5d, and the next plus 5d is here. So 5d plus 5d will become 10d in the denominator, and the resulting fraction is 8c over 10d. Now as you see that we have to prove a ratio b equal to c ratio d. So in fraction form it will be a over b equal to c over d. So in order to get a over b equal to c over d, we have to remove all the extra terms. And the extra term on the right is 8 over 10 and on the left is also 8 over 10. So we will multiply both sides by 10 over 8. Inverse of 8 by 10, multiplicative of 8 by 10 is multiplicative inverse of 8 by 10 is 10 over 8. So we will multiply both sides by 10 over 8. And by multiplying 10 over 8 to both sides, we will get a over b equal to c over d, as 8 over 10 or 10 over 8 एक दूसरे को cancel कर देंगे, and the resulting fraction will be a over b equal to c over d, or in ratio form it can be written as a ratio b equal to c ratio d. Now come to the third part of this question. This question is ac square plus bd square divided by ac square minus bd square equal to c cube plus d cube divided by c cube minus d cube. Now we will solve these fractions to get a over b equal to c over d by using componendo dividendo, which is a over b equal to c over d implies a plus b over a minus b equal to c plus d over c minus d. So by applying this theorem to these fractions, we have ac square plus bd square plus denominator, which is ac square minus bd square, divided by numerator ac square plus d square bd square minus denominator ac square minus into minus will be plus, so we have plus bd square. Now come to the right side. Fraction of right side is c cube plus d cube by c cube minus d cube. So in numerator we have to add the numerator and denominator of the right side fraction, which is c cube plus d cube plus c cube minus d cube divided by numerator minus denominator. So we have c cube plus d cube minus c cube, and minus into minus d cube will give us plus d cube. Now come to the simplification of these two fractions. So on the left side we have AC square plus AC square. This will equal to 2AC square, and plus BD square minus BD square. These two terms will be cancelled by each other. Come to the denominator, which is AC square minus AC square. These two terms will be cancelled, and we have plus BD square as 2BD square. Now come to the right side, C cube plus C cube. This equal to 2C cube, and D cube minus D cube. These two terms will be cancelled by each other, divided by C cube minus C cube. These two terms will be cancelled, and we have D cube plus D cube equal to 2D cube. Now 2 is cancelled by 2 in the denominator. On both sides we have AC square by BD square equal to C cube divided by D cube. Now we can write AC square as A into C divided by B into D. This equals C cube can be written as C into C divided by D into D. Now as we want A over B on the left side and C over D on the right side, so we have to remove C square by D square on the left and C square by D square on the right. So we will multiply both sides by the multiplicative inverse of C square by D square, which is D square by C square, to cancel these extra terms. So as we multiply D square by C square on both sides, we will cancel the extra terms and will get A over B equal to C over D, which can be written as A ratio B equal to C ratio D. Hence proved. Now fourth part of the question is A square C plus B square D divided by A square C minus B square D. This equals AC square plus BD square divided by AC square minus BD square. Now by using componendo dividendo theorem, we have A square C plus B square D numerator plus denominator, which is A square C minus B square D, divided by numerator minus denominator. So we write this as A square C plus B square D minus A square C, and minus into minus we will get plus B square D. This equals AC square plus BD square. This is numerator plus denominator is AC square minus BD square. Now in denominator we will subtract these two and have AC square plus BD square minus AC square, and minus into minus BD square will be plus BD square. Now cancel the terms with opposite sign, that is BD plus B square D minus B square D will be cancelled by each other, and we have A square C plus A square C as 2A square C. Now the same case in denominator is A square C minus A square C will be cancelled by each other, and we have B square D plus B square D as 2B square D. Now the same case in the right side is A square AC square plus AC square will give us 2AC square, and BD square will be cancelled by minus BD square, and in the denominator we have AC square minus AC square will be cancelled by each other, and we have BD square plus BD square equal to 2BD square. Now 2 is cancelled. Now 2 will be cancelled in the numerator and denominator of the both sides, and we have A square C by B square D equal to AC square divided by BD square. Now this fraction can be written as A into C over B into D. हमने स्क्वायर्स इनके ओपन कर लिए, This equal to AC square can be written as A into C divided by B into D. And as you know that AC by BD is extra on the left side and AC by BD is also extra in the right side. So we have to multiply both sides by the inverse of this, that is BD over AC, and we get here A over B equal to C over D, or A ratio B equal to C ratio D. Now fifth part of the question is PA plus QB ratio PA minus QB equal to PC plus QD ratio PC minus QD. In fraction form, this can be written as PA plus QB divided by PA minus QB. This equal to PC plus QD divided by PC minus QD. Now we will apply componendo dividendo theorem to this fraction and will get numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator as PA plus QB plus PA minus QB divided by PA plus QB minus PA plus QB. This equal to same case in the right side, that is same case on the right side is PC plus QD plus PC minus QD divided by PC plus QD minus PC, and minus into minus QD will give us plus QD. Now cancel the terms with opposite sign, that is QB and minus QB, and add PA plus PA will give us 2PA. Now come to the denominator is PA minus PA will be cancelled by each other, and we have QB plus QB equal to 2QB. This equal to PC plus PC equals 2PC, and QD minus QD will be cancelled by each other, and in denominator we have PC minus PC will be cancelled by each other, and QD plus QD and plus QD equal to 2QD. Now as 2 is cancelled, 2 will be cancelled in the right and left side. So we have PA over QB equal to PC over QD. Now we have to brought A over B equal to C over D. So in order to brought this, we will multiply the inverse of P over Q, that is we have to multiply both sides by Q over P, and by multiplying both sides by Q over P we get A over B equal to C over D, or it can be written as A ratio B equal to C ratio D. Now seventh part of this question, we have 2A plus 3B plus 2C plus 3D divided by 2A plus 3B minus 2C minus 3D. This equals 2A minus 3B plus 2C minus 3D divided by 2A minus 3B minus 2C plus 3D. Now students, you look that there are 4 terms in the numerator and denominator of both fractions on right and left side. So we will use componendo dividendo theorem here 2 times. So first, by using componendo dividendo to the above fraction, we have the numerator plus denominator and numerator minus denominator as this. Now look that we have to cancel all those terms which have opposite signs, and the terms containing same sign will be added, and we get 2A plus 2A equal to 4A, and 3B plus 3B equal to 6B, and the term 2C minus 2C and 3D minus 3D will be cancelled in the numerator, and the same case in denominator as 2A minus 2A will be cancelled here, 3B minus 3B will be cancelled, and we will get 2C plus 2C 4C, and 3D plus 3D equal to 6D. Now come to the right side. Here we have 2A plus 2A in numerator, this equal to 4A, minus 3B and minus 3B same sign, again we have minus 6B, and 2c minus 2c will be cancelled, and minus 3d will be cancelled by plus 3d. Now in the denominator we have 2a minus 2a. These two having opposite sign will be cancelled, so we will have the next term as minus 3b plus 3b. These two terms will also be cancelled by each other, and the resulting terms will be 2c plus 2c equal to 4c, and minus 3d equal to minus 6d. So this is our resulting expression. So by using Alter-Rando theorem, because we have to bring 4a plus 6b divided by 4a minus 6b, all the terms containing a and b to the left and all the terms containing c and d to the right, we will use Alter-Rando theorem. This Alter-Rando theorem states that if a over b equal to c over d, then this can be written as a over c equal to b over d. C and b will be interchanged by each other. So we will, when we apply this to the above fraction, we will get 4a plus 6b divided by 4a minus 6b, and this equal to 4c plus 6d divided by 4c minus 6d. Now we will apply again componendo dividendo theorem, and by applying this we have 4a plus 6b, that is numerator plus denominator, which is 4a minus 6b, and in denominator we have 4a plus 6b minus 4a and minus plus 6b. This equal to 4c plus 6d plus 4c minus 6d, and in the subtraction of denominator we have 4c plus 6d minus 4c plus 6d. Now the terms with same sign will be added and the terms with opposite sign will be cancelled by each other. We have the resulting fraction as 8a over 12b equal to 8c over 12d. Now as we have to remove 8 by 12 on both sides, we will multiply the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 12, which is 12 by 8, and we will get a over b equal to c over d, as 8 by 12 into 12 by 8 will be cancelled by each other on both sides, and we have the last and answer as a over b equal to c over d, and this can be written as a ratio b equal to c ratio d. Now come to the eighth part of this question, which is a square plus b square divided by a square minus b square. This equal to ac plus bd divided by ac minus bd. Now by using componendo dividendo theorem to this fraction, we have a square plus b square plus a square minus b square, that is numerator plus denominator. Now in denominator we will write numerator minus denominator, which can be written as a square plus b square minus a square, and minus into minus b square will give us plus b square. Now on the right side we have numerator plus denominator as ac plus bd plus ac minus bc, and in denominator we will write ac plus bd, this is the numerator of this fraction, minus denominator, which will be minus ac, and minus into minus bd will become plus bd. Now the same case as previous, that is terms with same sign will be added. A square plus a square will equal to 2a square, and b square minus b square will be cancelled by each other. Now come to the denominator, that is a square minus a square will be cancelled, and b square plus b square gives 2b square. This equal to ac plus ac will become 2ac, and plus bd and minus bd will be cancelled by each other. Now in denominator we have ac minus ac will be cancelled by each other, and we have the resulting as bd plus bd equal to 2bd in the denominator. Now 2 will be cancelled by 2 on left and right side, and we have a square by b square equal to ac by bd, which can be written as a into a divided by b into b equal to AC by BD. As we have to bring A over B equal to C over D. So the extra terms A over B on the left and A over B on the right will be removed. So we multiply the multiplicative inverse of this fraction, which is B over A. On both sides we get A over B cancelled by B over A on the left, and the same procedure on the right, and we have the resulting fraction as A over B equal to C over D, that is A ratio B equal to C ratio D. Now students, the remaining part of this exercise are your homework. Thank you very much.